Hey fellow millennials, let's be real, adulting is hard. Between avocado toast debates and figuring out if retirement is even an option, who has time for the stock market? But hold up, my friends, investing doesn't have to be some dusty old dude in a suit talking gibberish. It's about building your future, securing your freedom fries, and maybe even retiring before you need bifocals. So grab your favorite mug of yumminess, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into investing basics for millennials. Mythbusters, Investing Edition. Myth number 1, investing is only for rich peeps. Even with your barista budget, you can start small and watch your money grow like a chia pet on steroids. Remember, it's about consistency, not dropping your entire paycheck on meme stocks. Yes, we've all been there. Myth number 2, you need a finance degree to understand stocks. Investing is like choosing your next Netflix binge. Research, pick what interests you, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Myth number 3, the stock market is a scary roller coaster. It can have its ups and downs, but remember, time is your superpower. The longer you invest, the smoother the ride. Just avoid checking your portfolio every 5 seconds. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Investing 101, the Cliff Notes version. Think of your money as pizza. Diversify. Don't put all your toppings on one slice. Unless it's extra pineapple, that's always a good choice, LOL. Use investment platform tools and services like these. Number 1, robo-advisors. They are like having a financial Siri, perfect for beginners. Number 2, discount brokerages, DIY investing for the adventurous and potentially pizza-fueled millennials out there. Remember, it's your money, your future. Do your research, ask questions, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. We all do. But most importantly, have fun. So what are you waiting for? Smash that like button, because investing isn't scary. It's empowering. Let's build our financial empires brick by meme stock. Responsibly, of course. And remember, I'm here every week with more financial wisdom and, of course, some epic adulting fails to make you feel less alone. Until next time, stay cool, stay invested, and don't forget the avocado toast. P.S. If you have any burning money questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help my financial family.